So lately we've been having a lot of calls from customers asking us on how they would be able to set up their IP address onto the unit. So in this video I will be more technical on how to help you set up your IP address. So there's a couple of things you would need to know about your unit. Now we do have a new version on the unit which is called the VCS. The VCS is basically a program that lets you connect to your iCloud, more advanced for those that want to, use their unit through an iPhone, Android phone, any kind of smartphone, and through a tablet or laptop without connecting it to a server. So if you want to connect your unit through IP address through a server, you want to identify to see if your unit is VCS or VCM. So in order to do that, what you would need to do is hit the OK button. And then what you want to do is hit OK under System Setup. And we want to go to Advanced, which is option 9. And hit OK. So you're going to get to the Advanced Setup. What we want to do is hit the Unit Info by hitting option 4. And if you notice, it says iGrow 800 VCS, and this is the latest version of the firmware on this unit. So basically, if your unit is VCS, that means you would be able to connect it to a server. So if your unit is VCM, you would convert it to a VCS so it'll become IP compatible. For your iGrow to be VCS, you would need to contact the manufacturer to help you downgrade to the VCS. So to get your iGrow 100 series into doing the input of the IP address, what you want to do is first open your unit. And if you notice, you do have the communication module that's on the circuit board in the back end of the unit. So what you want to do is take your RJ45 cable and connect it to your communication module. Once you have your RJ45 cable connected to the communication module, what you want to do next is hit the OK button from the home screen. And then what you want to do is hit option number 3 for system setup and then hit OK. And then what you want to do is go to option number 7 for communication setup and then hit OK. And then it's going to prompt to say Modbus or IP address set, and this is where you set up your IP address, and then you're going to hit option 2 and then OK. And then what you want to do is put in your IP address that's whatever is compatible from your laptop or computer, and just enter in your IP address, your subnet, and your gateway, and your MAC address as well here too. So you would hit option number 4 for you to edit. And then once you put in your input data, what you want to do is hit OK. Once that's done, you're going to hit home button. We're going to hit OK. And then we're going to hit for system setup as well, OK. And then we're going to hit option 2 for save and restore. We want to save those settings and then hit OK. And then we're going to save and restore this config. We're going to hit option 1 for saving the configuration. And then you get to choose if you want to save it onto USB, SD card, or system memory. This is your option for you to choose see which one you want to save it onto. So once that's saved, just hit OK. Saves the configuration, hit OK again. You can hit the home button, and this is how you set up your IP address.